Hello, Pinoy Bladers. Medyo matagal-tagal tayo hindi nakita. Sorry, I've been busy. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na yung mga videos natin from now on. Matagal-tagal na rin hindi nakapag-send ng video. Anyway, meron tayong unboxing today. So, a short unboxing lang to. Okay? Here it is. Okay. So, we're gonna use the CRKT Ubake Koshi to open this. Okay? Alright. Done. This. Alright. So this is the new knife. So this is a Cobratec. So this is a Cobratec knife. Nice case. Very sturdy. Ganda yung case niya, no? Alright. Tapos okay, so this is from Toolshed. Sir Gid, thank you. Okay, mayroon pa tayong sticker, ha? Tapos may patch, may free patch siya. Alright, very nice, thank you Sir Gid. So this is the warranty, comes with the warranty. Just put that aside. So this is the knife. So meron siyang case. Then, there. To tell you frankly, this is my first OTF. Okay? So, ito yung Cobratec. So, tingnan natin. Alright. Very nice. So, double edge siya. So, it's made of D2. I know, D2. This is, I think, is this aluminum? Yeah, this is aluminum handle. The action is very, very nice. Wow. See? Very nice. Pocket clip. May konting, it was noted before shipping na meron siyang konting gasgas doon. Pero okay lang. It won't affect the function of the knife anyway. Ayan. It's a very nice knife, huh? There. Alright. So this is my first OTF. And I'm not really into OTF, but I was just curious. Kasi hindi ako masyadong fan ng OTF na knives. So I was just curious, so I bought one for myself. And I think it's a very nice knife. You know? I think I'm satisfied. The action is really, really wow. Talagang pumapalo siya. The spring is really nice. Yeah. Overall, okay naman siya. Well, it's not like Microtech. Like they said, iba talaga pag Microtech. But this will do. You know? Action is really nice. Wow. Very wow. Okay. Very good. So, ano ba ito? Ayan. Okay lang. I'm not really crazy about the case. Pero okay lang. Pwede na. I don't really know if I'm gonna carry this. Medyo mabagal yung paglabas niya. Pero, it will do. Okay na. Alright? So, this is a Cobratec in green. Okay, aluminum handle. Very nice. Double blade. Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing this short unboxing. And future videos, I'll be releasing future videos for the next unboxing. Okay, thank you. Sir Gid, tool shed for your knives. Marami silang selection. Go for tool shed. Alright, thank you.